Okay, everyone, you should download this game right now. It's called Squishy Magic, and it's so cute and satisfying. Like you can make a squishy, and you can choose a background for your squishy, and then you can name your squishy. And then if you make enough squishies, you can get a present to get another squishy, a background, a new palette, or whatever. So yeah, now then when you're done making your squishy, you can squish it. And then you can make a gift to send your squishy to someone. Like, yeah, you can make a gift. Wait, what is the squishy magic? So yeah.